Good day, sir, madam. I am Christine Mandy, 29 years old. I'm a single. I have 2 children. I am a college level. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money for my family.
Hello, Miss Christine. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Did you work abroad before?
Yes, madam, I worked before.
Where?
In Dubai
For how
2
long?
years.
Okay. How many members of the family did you serve?
There were 3 in the family.
How
ma'am.
many children?
They have just 1 child.
How old?
He's 4 years old.
Okay. So, what were your main duties when you were with them?
I cook for them.
Okay. So, you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes,
Kindly
I
tell
know.
us how.
Feed them, change diaper, play with them, tell them stories.
Okay. Can you sing children's song?
Yes, I
Please
can.
try.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes, I can.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
I can cook Filipino food and Iranian food.
Describe your personal character.
I am kind, honest, loyal, respectful, and friendly.
How can you say that you will be a good domestic helper? Will you follow the rules and regulation of your employer?
Yes, ma'am. I
And-
promise to do all my job.
And will you promise to finish the 2 years contract?
Yes, I promise, ma'am, to finish all my contract.
Okay.